Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome guys. For those who don't know me, and for those who know me, obviously know me as Pontlebi. Welcome guys. If you're new, welcome. And if you've been here, you would know please don't forget to like and comment. For those who are new, please subscribe and tell your family and friends to subscribe too and join our beautiful little family. But so it's around 2 in the afternoon and I just came in right now. I just went out to run a few errands and I'm so tired, but I'm just a girl. A friend of mine just asked me how about we go out and check Cradle Moon out. So obviously I said yes, because it's nice, guys. To even think Cradle Moon is just 20 minutes away from my place. I haven't been there, so today will be my first day going there. Hence, kids say, you know what, let's go, my girl. So we're going there now. I'm just going right now to change and be in something comfortable so that so without wasting any of your time, guys, so already it's late. What if but then even if we can't do today, it's fine. We'll go back. Abuse, and personally I'm guilty because I know I'm going to abuse it. So guys, let's go, because let's go guys and have fun. I'll see you guys. Bye. Sometimes they don't fight. I'm defeated. This one is a defeat. Hey, baby. Did you see?
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush, but I couldn't get enough. It was a rush, but I gave it up. It was a crush. Now I might have wanna say too much, but that's all it was, so I gave it up. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if it was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush. I kept saying I'm staying.
Ali photographer namhlanje. Yeah, photographer every corner. I think I've taken this place many times, so I'm tired.
But let me open for you.
Ice cream. Yes. Rama, we tell us what is yeah, thina sifuna content asifuna into eninte egcela uzayicomplain but ngicomplaina ngento right guys. Yes, ngibuye egcineni but imali sisipendile.
Atshele mngani.
Hawu. Gibele indiza ezi4 ngifike la ukuthi ngizokubiza leBhayibheli nge-ice cream.
Awuyeke ubhuti akazi lutho. Ngiyokuphileyo.
Utheni la yenze njalo.
Yeah. Epicha kwevanja.
Vulani pera. Hi. Vulani pera. Hi. Nowadays guys kumushona.
Umushona wena.
Madi. Ziribo, zirise, ziribo. Hey, vula pera.
Vula sipuzera.
You are married this place, guys.
Quiet,
nice, man. You guys can see. You won't be able to see them.
Antelope.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, guys, it's so nice for Uduzi
Zebra pond.
Animals everywhere.
Ay, guys, into le ayivuleki.
Fast Fanta Tole. Ah, I wanna. I don't wanna have that far. But hey, yes, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm gonna be unboxing a few things again with you. Keep busy, guys. Keep busy. I can't. I cannot matla le nna mosa. I cannot matla bula. I'm saying, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I can unbox a few things also. I think 2 things: my chair and my fridge. It won't take long also, Leona. And yeah, guys, bye. Thank you. Bye, Chomi. Thanks for escorting us, ne? Thanks, ne? Shy high five. Okay. Okay, Val. Bye, Chomi. Bye. Mukinyanga butu, ngubatla ke motsamala gona. Kupon shapele 360 hle. Chomi. Mshapele 360 ya ho neng ma. O file di chips. O file di chips tsaka. Kopa o nketse 360.
Please, ishape so.
Mshapele pikoko style. Ah ba tlisham. Kapo maybe le etsa batho ngore ba ietse, ba ietse ntho. Chomi hayi. Ah, uje.
I think I can it for the time that you do it.
Oj. Hello. Morning, guys. It's a Thursday morning, and my fridge is here. So, guys, you like last time I I've been buying a few things because I want 2026. Because I am done with the house and I'm doing other things I've been wishing to do. So my fridge is here. If you've been here also, you would know like fridge in that will fit that space. So it's here now, and bilateral no. Let's go and see it, guys. So I'm getting a fridge with the box inside. So we're gonna unbox it from the outside. And yeah, let me show you guys there's one. So meaning you guys are gonna see it from the outside because I think you can see already 70 box. So I think what we're getting, and yeah, guys, I am so excited. We usually with groceries, buying groceries. Sometimes I couldn't because but now at least I'm gonna be able to buy things that I've always wanted. Without having to worry. We're done. It would space inside thing, it would say hantle. Although it's again like fully like yeah barely, because this one is a little bit bigger, but that's how it looks. I see it with more, guys. I am so in love with this fridge. I love it so much. So relatedly an hour before get looking at dintho tsa rona ka hare, and in a space. That's what I love also, because at least no ke tlo kgona ho beha ntho tsa ka hantle. There's the water tank and the snack, my fruits and vegetable box. I'm in love, I'm in love, and I'm obsessed. Freezer Gamona. Let me show you from Timomona. So this is an ice maker. Oh, you can see ice. Yeah, ice, yeah, guys, that's how our fish looks like. I gave it since the ice are ready to see this one. Yeah, guys. And yeah, guys, Kiona have fresh here. I feel lazy. I have a few things to do in this kitchen, but at least I'm halfway. And yeah, guys, my fridge. So nice. Oh guys, that's what we official. Yo, vlogger Harabato is not nice, trust me. Awkward and uncomfortable. My hair, it's a wrong. So at least we're going to check us We'll check if the container can be told so. Oh, Ganga. This is the perfect size. Guys, these are exactly the sizes I was looking for. Yeah, for pufunyana, you know. Guys, I got this here. I also got this. So I'm still undecided who I can get this. Or this one. Because also this one is in pure white. And this one is like a cream white. Your meringue color. Which one should I take? This one. That was your first option. Alright, thank you. So this lady I can get this one. So I'm taking this one. It's so late. It's a little more early, but right now, you will see I've been here for the longest time. So let's go. Take a look at this and leave. Guys, so I'm back. You will get chile to show her since get my konaki fitlang. I'm so tired. Guys, kopa le tlosetseng hore wa lesang tip hore honka content ho etsa di groceries 2 month end. Hi sebetsa ntwe. Hi soka isebetsa. Today guys, it was so awkward. It was so uncomfortable for me to take content because batho ba feta, batho ba nshebile. Ke nthongo e ke sa tsebeng hore ke etsa jwang. But hey, ke khutlile guys. Ke khutlile, I'm done. I could take at least I could take mo lo reng kinkile teng. Mo ke sa nkang hanga guys, because it was super hard for me to take content. BP se lo di mo le yona ka mong. Ke cha ke khathetse ke ntse kaofela. So but hey, yeah, you guys ke surely bono at least I could take mo ke khoneng teng. But saying guys, I just couldn't anyhow. Yo, ratla re itlama. Yo ratla re itlama. O thata batho msebetsi no thata. Hey, content as papadi hleng. Iponetse today. And le hopolo re it was my first time taking content into kids a grocery and everything. And who know who thata shem. Cause most of the time in Naha ki it's a grocery. Ki it's a second week after month end. So this week kile beke yona ya khodi fedile. So it was super hard guys. I got a lot of mark. But going forward since I can second week yona nsebeletsa. First week no more. And like what I got guys. So now most of the time it's either I use macro cause ntotengata uditola ka bargain or food lovers 100 over 100 ntotsa bona di sharpo and the price tsa bona di affordable. So I want to show you guys how I get in. I just want to wash my face guys and since so I just want to wash my face and then after that get what I got for how much. I'm just gonna show you like I get yo guys, I'm tired. Please so yeah, let me wash my face. Yeah, yo keep it no guys. Yo I'm gonna show you how I get in. Sleepy pill. I wanna show you how I can spend it guys. So this is my slip and spendile 3.860 for everything that you see here. Imagine. So guys, well and food lovers enough for 9 and 7 later. I don't know get like I feel. Yeah. Lighting guys. Like I wanna unbox these things, but I'm struggling to find the right spot who unbox. So I don't know. I'm just gonna have to work with what I have. I got these from Checkers Hyper. I got these containers. They were really very nice. That's so beautiful. and a dikgolo. So for my flour, for my rice, for phofo, I think I'm gonna use these things. As time goes, so I got 3 of them. I also got for spaghetti. So I got this. Let's go ke ditotsi. Ke rekile 3 ya tsona le tsona ne. Okay. I also got this baby girl Lana. I also got this vase from I like Putin, I said. I got this beautiful verse. I got this beautiful vase from Woolies. Yeah, and nearly 250, 249. Woolies. But no, I can't to sing at Dashim. And then I also got this from H&M Home. I got this beautiful vase. Nali vase, nali long. Nali vase. How it's about that. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Oh, and I also got this. I think you guys saw it. That's from Jet Home. From Jet Home. Oh God. And I also got these. Let's honor the brink. The side plate. Got $34.99. Got 4. And we also got the side plate. I'm sorry. I also got the bowl. The Totsika $39.99. So yeah, guys, that's everything that I got today. But as time goes, I'm gonna get more things and I'm gonna unbox with you guys. So let me clean my house. Let me put things into order. You get into freezing. The container and yeah, I'm so tired, guys. I need to eat. I get them more, and I think I'll see you guys either tomorrow or later. I am not sure, but if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think Hosani is gonna be about cleaning, but what clean and the couch with Zaka and yeah, guys, love you guys so much. I'll see you guys. Bye.